What's going on, everybody? ByLo back here again. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I usually do like tech stuff and all that, like tutorials and stuff like that. But I'm also an eBay seller. I've been selling on eBay for about 2 years now, on and off. I just started on Amazon, and I love Amazon. Um, so I thought I'd do a video where, I have a lot of friends and family just at home now. Some people have been laid off work, looking for ways to make money. So I thought I'd share some of my, tips or whatever, just from my experience of what I've been selling, how I've been selling, anything that can help. Um, and if anyone, if even one person can take away something from this and it helps them get started, or at least, you know, I'm not a millionaire. I'm not making millions off this. It does help. I do make some side money off this. Helps with the bills. Helps with some, just anything extra I need. It does come in handy. So um, any money is good money to me. So in this video, I'm gonna go over some things I've been selling lately, how I source, and then I could also do other videos on how to list on eBay and things like that if you guys need me to. So one of the places that I like to source from are Walmart, Target. Right now, I'm actually going to Target to source some stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, show you one of the items that I've been looking for, and I think I found in stock. So I'm gonna go head to Target right now, and yeah, we'll see if we find it. If we find it, if not, there's always another product to find, source, and sell. So I did just sell this Aladdin DVD set. It's like I don't know, just a regular old DVD set. I found that at a garage sale a while ago. This is before all the craziness happened. Garage sale for I think $1 because I bought a few of them, and I just sold on eBay for, let me check. $11.99 on eBay. After freezing everything, I'll probably take home around $8 from that. So, um, that's just an example of something that you can sell on there. DVDs do really well, especially right now. So, yeah, we're gonna head to Target and look for the next product. All right, guys. So right now I'm on my way to Target. I'm going to pick up these. I guess I seen these like apple juice. This apple juice challenge on TikTok that's been getting really popular, and supposedly that apple juice itself has been selling out. So there's only a few stores that do have it in stock, and I found a Target near the house that should have it. I'm headed there now. We have to see what they got and how many they got. I think they go for $4.49 for the 4-pack, around there, and they're reselling on eBay for about I want to say anywhere between 15 to $20, just depending on if you're doing free shipping or not. So we're about to check that out and let's see. All right, so we just left Target. They had about 6 of these total, the 4-packs. I've seen some people list them individually, but I'll probably just list them as the 4-packs, just flip them quicker. So yeah, about to head home, list them, and see how it goes. So we scored on the apple juice today. I think I got another good hit. This one's a little pricier. I found some Google devices that were on sale at Walmart for they still cost a lot, which is crazy. They were like on sale for like $150, but they're reselling for like $300. And the $150 sale is only at like select Walmarts, I guess. And I just happened to find one nearby, so I got 2 of those. Spent $300, like $320 total after tax and everything. $320, and if we can flip them $300 each, I mean that'll be great. So I'm about to head home. I'll show you guys the actual box and everything, and then we'll get to listing. All right, what's going on, guys? So today, a little busy morning. I got to ship out some packages, including the Aladdin DVD set I showed you guys yesterday. I got some new stuff in, so we're gonna go through that. I also went to Target because I found a really good deal on some games over there. These actually sold already. While I was driving back home, I listed them while I was at Target, and they already sold. So that's awesome. So yeah, let's go through some of the stuff. Let's see what I got in today. I lost track of some of the stuff I ordered. So stuff's been coming in the past couple of days. This is from, I believe, from Amazon. This is an Amazon order. It had items on sale, and I guess I got 2 of them. Oh, so these are charging ports. They were on sale for, let me see if I can find out exactly the price. I don't want to open them because I guess I'll just leave them in the original, their packaging. So let's go to the invoice for these. So I got 2. So they were $8.99 each. $8.99 each, and I think they're selling on eBay for, let's see, eBay. So this is basically what I do. I get them in. Well, when I search the item first, I go on eBay or Amazon, see what I can sell it at, and that way I can determine what the profit is, if it's worth it or not. And I think I searched this one before. I just can't remember the USB charging. So yeah, basically just kind of, yeah, see, these are selling for 25-ish is the average price. Let me just scroll down. Yeah, 25 is the average price for this, and I paid $8.99 for each one. So these are going to get listed later today. These games, I got some Wii games at a Target that I found on sale. Really good sale. I got 2 of them. They were $19.99 each. Selling on Amazon. Yeah, they're $19.99 each, and they're selling on Amazon for about 34 or 35 bucks on Amazon. Made a couple bucks off each one. They both sold actually. Let me double check. Both sold on my way home. So these are gonna get sent out on Monday. Tomorrow's Sunday. I sold one of these today. This was I think this cost me $3.50 on Amazon. So that's what I like to do as I go on. Amazon posts sales a lot. So if you go on Amazon, find the good items on sale, and then post them on eBay once you get them in. That's a good way to kind of cross flip, is what I like to call it. This is a USB port or USB charging hub or something like that. $3.50, $14.99 I think. So that's another good sale. What else? So that's done. So this one is from Staples. And I think there's 2 of them in here. Always keep your packaging stuff. This stuff comes in handy when you need to pack your own items. So I try to keep sometimes even the original box if I can keep it intact. If not, at least the packaging material. This stuff comes in handy a lot. I have like a whole section of these things. So these, let's see. I paid $62 for both. So roughly 30 bucks a piece. This is a Google Home. I think they're selling for like 50 or 60 bucks. I'll have to double check. These will get posted tonight too. Yeah, so a couple sales today, a couple good finds today. Just wanted to share with you guys. I'll keep you guys posted on any sales that come up, and how my sales are going on Amazon and eBay. I also do Poshmark a little bit. Mercari is pretty good. But I'll keep you guys posted if you guys have any specific questions or want to see anything specific. I'm not an expert at this, but I got most of the stuff figured out in a decent enough way to keep it going. So if you guys have any questions or want to see any videos about anything, just let me know and I'll be happy to do it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate any subs and subscribes, likes, comments, all that good stuff. Thanks again, and have a good day.